Mighty Machines in Action. Backhoes. By Bowman. Dig deep. A backhoe drives up to a group of trees. A farmer wants to clear them to make a pond. First, the backhoe digs around the trees. Then, the backhoe presses against the trees. They fall over. The backhoe pulls them away. Now it is ready to dig the pond. Mini jobs. Backhoes are often found on farms or construction sites. They dig ditches or large holes. They also move rocks and dirt. Backhoes also break things down. Some tear down buildings. Others work on roads. They break up the old surface. Then they spread the new asphalt. Loaders, tractors, and buckets. The loader is on the front of the machine. It works like a big shovel. It lifts, carries, and spreads dirt and rocks. The tractor connects to the loader. It holds the diesel engine. The driver sits in the cab. The chair can face forward or backward. The backhoe is behind the tractor. It looks like an arm with a bucket on the end. It digs into the ground and lifts heavy objects. Scoop it up. Backhoes move on all types of ground. Their big wheels do not get stuck on rocks or in sand. Their powerful engines rumble loudly. When it is time to dig, two legs keep the backhoe in place. These balance the machine. Then it gets the job done. The end.